Morning, guys. Yeah, it's morning and I'm hungry. I'm about to prepare breakfast. Nothing too hectic, so yeah, come prepare with me as promised. I will take you guys with me during our stay here. Also because it's quite an experience for us, because it's our first time really doing a self-catering. January, so we had to. But yeah, it's our first time doing a self-catering, and yeah, we want to see if we can do this then. Also, first time in an Airbnb. Like I said, we're happy about the house, so but let's do this. Onion in my eyes, guys. How do you get an onion not to be all up in your eyes? Anyway, let's continue. Some update, guys. Look what we got. Yay. So last night before he slept, Mono went out, my husband went out, and with the help of a nice security gent, they managed to get this. He covered him to go to some nearby store to get, we don't know the brand, but cooking oil, guys. We have no time to be picky right now. But yeah, we are happy now. We can cook like normal people do, because like we didn't know, we weren't sure how we were gonna do it. But anyway, I just wanna do a quick update also about the house. I think where they got it wrong is not having an aircon in the living room, because remember I said there are aircons in both the bedrooms, but there's nothing in the living room and it's so hot. And imagine this heat when like the stove is not on. Once I start cooking, it's just gonna be like madness. So yeah, I think one of the upgrades that they can do is simply aircon in the living room. So yeah, but other than that, we're happy and let's get cooking. That is our quick and easy breakfast. Yay, my people are there somewhere. But yeah, so we're just gonna eat some.
That's how the protection. It feels on inside.
Okay. We have our very own personal. We have our own dog, guys. Guys, yo, Aishem. So guys, as we entered, there were other people who came at the gate and told us that they just spotted a leopard. And if you can see, I'll show you just now, there are like cars in front of us. They're also like looking for that leopard. So we are also just following. And that's the thing with being in the national park. Like, you just, sometimes you find that you're following cars, you don't know what they're saying, but they had stopped. So you also stop to just check what they're looking at. But it's always wise to ask, what are we looking at? Because they always come through with information. So yeah, let's hunt for the leopard. This is what I mean, guys. Like, look at those cars. It's not very, you can drive properly. So the cars now have stopped. So wait a bit, Nana. So we're also gonna stop and oh my gosh, guys, there it is. There. Are you seeing it? There it is. Oh my gosh. What is this one doing? No. Hi guys. So there it is. We are simply following it around. Oh my gosh. So it's the battle of following the leopard. You see it, baby? You see it? Oh, my baby. My baby is seeing a leopard. Oh my gosh, my papa. What's this? Hi, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but there are vultures there. I think they are vultures. There's so many of them on the tree, but my video can't capture it very well. So, oh yes, I love giraffes, guys. You have no idea. My favorite animal, giraffe. There's so much grace, man. It's a zebra. Fish eagle, guys. Fish eagle. There's a hippo, guys. So we are out on the bridge. Putomi na Papa Putomi. Yeah, there's the hippo there, as you can see. Then there's like a crocodile somewhere. Yeah. Okay, I don't know where it went. Oh, there. There it is. There's a crocodile there. There's another hippo there. If you can see, there are my people. Oh, at our own gate, at our own yard. That's our house. Like, when I tell you this is bush living, I mean it. Don't we stop? OMG guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and share. From me, Moody, love you guys. Adios, bye.